Peace, family. What's going on? So we're actually about to go in and take a look at one of the properties that we're looking at taking down. This is going to be a potential subject to opportunity. For those who don't know what a subject to is, essentially what that means is that we're going to get the property subject to financing. But one of the things with this particular property is we're actually just going to take it over with no money out of our pocket. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all come on and check this out. There's actually squatters in here. So y'all just come on.
Go ahead, gentlemen.
Okay. How many bedrooms in here?
There's one over here. There's two over here. Is that a bedroom right here, sir?
Oh, it's a bathroom, bedroom.
I got you.
So one,
good to go? Okay.
2, 3, 4. This one back here?
Yeah, we got that. Whoa. Is there a dog in here?
Yeah, she's sleeping.
A big dog, a little dog?
Is that a bedroom?
Somebody sleep back there?
Is this a bedroom?
Hey, we're coming in, okay? I said we're coming in. It's the new owner. We still have to see the house. Is that okay? All right, thank you. If your dog runs up to me, I'm telling you, it's going to be a problem. Okay, just letting you know. All right. How are you, bro? No problem. You good.
How you doing?
Stop it, buddy.
There's 5 bedrooms in here. So it's a bedroom right here. Here's the kitchen.
This has a bathroom.
So it's a bedroom right there. Living room, dining room area. IG, what's going on? Look, so we just pulled up at a property out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Have an opportunity to actually take down a property. We got Gax, we got Daniel, and got my mentee Dom, who's also my boxing trainer, so y'all be on the lookout. So as you guys know, we've been looking to take down properties and put them on pad split, which is a co-living type of scenario where we are actually able to rent each bedroom out by the week. So he owes about $260,000 on a property. What's the ARV on this one, you think?
What is it, a 5-bedroom?
Yes.
Easily, what, 355?
So ARV about 355. We probably can squeeze a little bit more out of that because there's some room to possibly add some additional square footage. So if we add some additional square footage, we probably can get the ARV to closer to about 400 plus. All we're going to do is take over the payments. See, here's the thing that I often tell people when it comes to real estate. The average person would drive past this property, and because it's not pretty, they potentially will pass up on it. This is actually a gold mine. See, the thing when it comes to real estate is why a lot of people fail is that they fail to realize that the focus should be profitability. The focus should be cash flow. The focus should be how can I maximize my dollar? How can I maximize my money? So we're actually about to go to the second property, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to continue to show you these strategies. Look, most people aren't even thinking about how to use co-living opportunities to be able to maximize rents on a single family property. So stay tuned and I'll see y'all over at the next property. Let's go. Family, we are at property number 2 out here on the east side of Las Vegas, Nevada. This is another potential opportunity for us to be able to literally walk into this property with no money out of pocket. And so this is why you want to stay locked in, because not only will we give you access to our resources, you get access to our team, but you also get access to exclusive deals like this. So imagine you're brand new to real estate investing, you want to take down your first property, and you don't have an adequate amount of capital, even though we're going to teach you how to get the capital, but you having access to literally walk into your very first investment property with no money down. This particular owner was over leveraged. He can't come up with the money to finish and complete the rehab. He actually has about 9 properties. He's giving us access to 2 right now. And so we're gonna go in here, take a look. Now this property does need some work. It actually needs a lot of work. So make sure y'all stay tuned, stay locked in. We're gonna show you what we're working with outside out here in Las Vegas. So this looked like this was the washroom, possibly some storage right here. Here's another bedroom right here. And then we got 2 more bedrooms here. So we have potentially 4 bedrooms. We have 4 potential bedrooms inside this house. And then a lot of the times we're looking to see if we can squeeze any additional rooms in any areas here. And so we may or may not be able to squeeze another potential room in this area right here. Here's the thing that we also look at. Is there any room for us to add some additional square footage? And so from what I'm seeing here, this lot size is large enough to where we possibly can extend the front to get an additional room to where we can get up to 5 to 6 beds out of this potential property. Now, how much will it take us to get this property from the seller?
0.
All right, say that again, because I think the mic was a little muffled. Say, how much will it cost us to get access to this property?
$0.
$0. Wow. What's the ARV of this property? I know at least 330 to 350, I would assume.
370.
370 is the ARV over here. This is the property we're taking a look at right here currently. As you see, it needs everything. Sometimes when you go into a property that needs everything, it actually works in your favor. Your demo is minimized. Look at this. This would actually be bedroom number 1. This is where the bathroom would be. So this could actually be considered the master bedroom. For those who know, when you saw me do my last evaluation, usually a nice size master bedroom that has a private bath, we can rent out for as much as $290 per week. $290 per week. You do the math on that, you're talking about almost $1,200 just for one bedroom. See, the thing is about real estate is that you always want to be in a position to pivot depending on what's taking place. And we're actually in an opportunity where we're about to see one of the greatest wealth transfers, at least within our lifetime. And if you are not positioned or you're not ready to pivot, you will miss out on some of these potential opportunities. So again, what I need you to do is just make sure that you continue to follow, you stay locked in. We out here working, baby. It's about 90 degrees out here in Las Vegas. We still looking at properties and all that good stuff. So make sure y'all stay tuned in, and I'll see y'all at the top. Let's go.